This I believe.
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 This I believe. This I believe.
This I believe. This I believe.
This I believe.
I believe. A photograph is a picture painted by the sun without inscription in art. Photographs are here to remind us of what we forgot. I believe in photographs. They have so many meanings. I believe that photographs tell a story. It shows the change, progress, difference, and more. I believe in photographs. A picture is worth thousands of words. Words have meanings. Meanings describe something. I believe that photographs will be forever. They are past, present, and the future. I believe in photographs. Can you remember what happened? A picture can. A photograph can. A photograph is the capture of a still moment that says a lot. A photograph is something that you can cherish forever. I believe in photographs. Without photographs, the world and its people will be lost, confused. Photographs are very significant in today's world and society. I believe in photographs. From my personal experience, when your loved one is dead and gone, you can't see their face like you're used to every day. And the image you have stored in your memory begins to fade away. That photograph will be there to bring back the correct view. Your loved one in that photograph will help you make it through the day. Although they're gone, you will always have that photograph with their lovely face. I believe in photographs. A camera that takes a photograph takes exactly what it sees. A photograph does not lie. It is the truth, the total truth. Picture, photo, photograph, having the P in common. They're all the same. I believe in photographs. These photos will one day have more value than words. A photograph is taken with a camera. A camera can be found on a phone, laptop, desktop, computer, device, and more places. Photographs are life. My name is Ramona Reed, and this is what I believe.
This 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 I believe. This I believe.
This I believe. This I believe.
This I believe. This I believe.